When you log in to your PhysioU web app account, sign in with your email and use your password. For your patients, the Assistive Devices app will come in very handy. What you'll see is videos for assistive device fittings. All of these can be emailed directly to your patient through this little envelope up in the upper right-hand corner. The patients will never have to log in to PhysioU. They will just be able to watch the video from a viewer. You will see that training the patients for different gait patterns, modified 3-point gait, front wheel walker, right or left lower extremity. You'll be able to email the appropriate video. You can use the video to teach the patients how to use their walker.
3-point gait with the right leg affected. Have the patient first bring the walker forward, then the right leg, and finally step 2 with the left leg. Continue with this pattern. Walker, right leg, left leg. Walk.
These videos will include all the different gait patterns, getting up and down stairs with the various devices, again, right and left lower extremities, bed mobility videos, sit to stand and stand to sit, transfers, as well as basic wheelchair mobility, fitting, and patient education. So you can see here in the mobility, these videos can be sent again to the caretaker as well as to the patients, so that they'll be able to improve their mobility safely. The last thing I want to mention is the patient education app. The patient education app, depending on the type of conditions that your patients are dealing with, are a patient-centric, written to reduce their anxiety and pain. For example, your patient with frozen shoulder after a mastectomy, there's a little video of a therapist telling them that they're going to be okay.
This morning was the first time you couldn't reach the cereal bowl in the upper kitchen cabinet.
And a little description of what's going on, how it happens, how long it might take to get better, and some things that they can do to help themselves. And so there's some exercise videos. Again, all of these are designed to be delivered directly to the patient using this little mail or share option. By the way, all the available JOSPT patient perspectives you can see here are now itemized or categorized by their body region. So if the patient has frozen shoulder and you want to deliver them a patient perspective from JOSPT, they can just open their cell phone, take a picture, or open their camera app. This will directly lead them to the JOSPT website where they can get the exact patient perspective, or you can email this to them as well. App to make it efficient for you to use with your patients, to sign in on your browser on your mobile device, so that's your cell phone. Make sure after you sign in that you're able to click and add or bookmark this web page or add to the home screen. That way it will become a little icon on your phone right here. That way you'll be able to access it like an app directly on your phone. All right, guys, I hope that's useful for you. Thank you for what you're doing. This is Mike signing off from PhysioU.